Firebuds, right? Just starting my TikTok shop like last month, November. And then this month, within a few days, right, I earn about 500 bucks. I'm like, wow. What happened to those who are actually doing live every day? Wow.
Okay, so but you see, I have a day job as in like my own business, like I sell cosmetics and skincare. So if you know me, Julia Chantel channel on another channel, right, actually I'm selling skincare and makeup. But ever since TikTok shop opens, right, I started to have a bigger category of things that I can sell, like lifestyle products, like the Reed Diffuser by Pristine. I even sell other products like Joyoung's cooking pot. I even sell like Perfect Diaries makeup palette, right? So you see, so for me, I felt that with TikTok Shop opens, everybody has a chance to be your own boss. Okay, but of course you need to create better content so that we'll be able to sell more products. So basically, right, it's a passive income kind of strategies. So for me, right, I rarely go on live. I actually want to go on live like Runner Cow, like doing it every day. But I got no time because I'll be out in the morning meeting clients, and by the time I come home, I know it's just an excuse. It's just that I find it I'm able to just earn like $500 just a few days, right? Just getting the videos going out with good content. Okay, so yeah, I'm very very grateful that all the contents are loved by the audience on TikTok, and then that's why it went viral. Like the one that went viral was my retinol. Okay, the retinol went viral, and then I have so many clients calling me and asking me about my retinol. What is it all about? Blah blah. And then after that, second thing was like the foundation went viral as well. And then with the recent Pristine Reed Diffuser, if you want your house to smell like Ion Orchard, so that went viral. And then after that, the Joyoung cooking pot also went viral. So I have a lot of videos that went viral. Very very grateful that I'm also part of the TikTok's Pioneers Creators Program, right? So I want to share with you, if you really want to be a TikTok creator, right, you need to be very creative and able to share your authentic self, right? About who you are as a person. You don't have to follow trends like dancing or doing jokes, but of course, jokes is part of entertainment as well. So if you are able to inspire your audience, you're able to entertain your audience, you're able to educate your audience, right, you will go very very far in your videos on TikTok. A lot of audience here loves to see your authentic self, your personality, and then you can even show off like how to dress up, how to put on makeup, how to get ready with you to going for an event. It's all about being yourself, being authentic. And because there's a lot of jokes kind of a trend right going on, but you won't last long if you just do jokes and everything, you know what I mean? Because nobody wants to see so many versions of the same jokes but done by different people. So TikTok, right, has a new algorithm right now. They value authenticity, they value original content, and they'll push even more. So I realized that all my 1 minutes and above videos, right, went viral as well. Like some hit 3,000 views within like 2 days. So why don't you try and create your own content and be yourself? Interested to grow your business online using TikTok, right? You can DM me for one-on-one social media coaching. So I hope that you love this video. I look forward to seeing you all soon in my next video. Bye.